I want to believe you've watched the first series, the first part of the series, which was on thumbnail, on how ChatGPT can help you rate your already designed thumbnail, give you the strength, give you the weaknesses so that you can rework it before using it on your video, isn't it? So this is the second series, and I did promise it was going to be on thumbnail. Was it thumbnail? No, it's going to be on title, right? So let's get down into it. Like you know, my name is Peggy. I am the face behind the Wholesome Kids channel. This is actually a series. If you're wondering why I'm starting the video, this way, it is a series. So look at the playlist and follow up from the very first beginning. Okay, so let's dive right into it. So here we are again in our ChatGPT. You already have your title, isn't it? The title you want to use. And what is the title? How to check watch hours after your live stream ends. This is supposedly your title. Now, you now tell ChatGPT, this is the topic I have. This is the topic I have shot a video on. I will like you to give me 10 clickable titles for this video and 10 matching descriptions that can rate this video highly on the algorithm corner. I want the title to be so compelling that it becomes impossible not to click. You send this guy out. Let's wait and see the magic ChatGPT always performs. Perfect. I got you. Since your topic is how to watch blah, 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 we'll go heavy on curiosity plus urgency plus direct value. Can you see? We will go heavy on what? Curiosity, urgency, and direct value. 10 clickable YouTube titles for this particular video you have made, that topic that you created. Chat is giving you 10 different titles. So with these 10 different titles now, it now behoves you to choose the one that best fits you. And then matching descriptions, you can see them. Matching description. For title number 1, it gave you description number 1. For title number 2, it gave you description number 2. So if you want to go with number 10, you copy number 10 and you go with number 10. Do you understand? Now, why am I doing this? When you post that video after like 2 or 3 days and then you found that the video is not performing as good as you would ordinarily want it to perform, or as good as your other videos, you can now come back to this particular prompt and go and change the title, edit the title. So we may be working with number 10 right now. Number 10 is not working for me after 3 days. I will come back, pick up number 5, and go and edit that video, put number 5 title and number 5 description on it. And then I watch it to see exactly how it's going to perform. So let's just run through some of the titles that were given to us for this particular topic. So we said we should work with number 10. Number 10 said, I found how to check watch hours after lives and it works. And then what is the description paired with that particular title? Reaching monetization requires 4,000 watch hours and every live stream gets you closer. But how do you know your progress? In this video, I'll review how to check your watch hours after live stream so that you can track results instantly. This is perfect for small creators, beginners, or anyone who's serious about growing on YouTube. Do you see? Let's see if number 5 will match number 5 description. The fastest way to see watch hour after ending a live on YouTube. So what's the description on that one? Want to know how to check watch hours after your YouTube live stream ends? This simple but powerful trick will save you stress and confusion. In this video, I'll show you the exact process inside YouTube Studio Analytics to see your watch time after every live. If your dream is to grow your channel and get monetized, you'll need this knowledge. Now, notice something. Each of these titles and descriptions are heavily packed with keywords. The algorithm works with keywords. They are heavily packed with keywords. So this is our series number 2 on how to use ChatGPT to the best of your ability in order for your channel to blow up. Okay, we must do everything humanly possible to put good products in our channels. That's the only way YouTube or the algorithm will now push out our channels out there. There's just no other way. You have to be good at what you do. Watch out for series number 3 because that is going to be another mind-blowing hack. Remember, there are 7 of them.